Hello Tesla fanatics, lovers and fans. Welcome to my channel, Living and Driving Tesla. In today's video, I had a little accident and got my windshield cracked. So let me tell you how much that little crack was and where I fixed it and what was the process of that. Take a look at this video. Alright, so this thing just happened about a minute ago. Damn, it's a bad crack. So now we're going to get it fixed right away. And let me tell you, this is not the first time I come and visit these guys because of these issues. It's actually my second time. The first time it happened when I had barely gotten the car. I think 2 days into grabbing the car. Actually, it was more like 4 days after getting the car. Here I am thinking that I'm gonna have to replace this glass, going crazy, but you know what? Lucky for me, once they were done, it didn't even show. But fast forward today, look at this windshield crack. Damn. Still wondering how much this is gonna get. See, dude, what this place can do. So after a little back and forth, because I didn't have an appointment, they didn't want to take the car in, but finally they pull it inside to work on it. Stay tuned, this is gonna go fast.
All right, jump on in and take a look at it.
Wow. I mean, it looks great, but... So the lesson out of this video, if you ever get a crack on your windshield, fix it right away. It's not gonna cost you much. I only paid $55.40 and I got a free bottle of grass cleaner. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Till next time.